Meaning of incentive.
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 Incentive. The term incentive refers to a motivating factor that encourages someone to take action or behave in a particular way. Incentives can take various forms, such as rewards, bonuses, or promotions. They are often used by organizations and governments to drive desired behaviors and achieve specific goals. Incentives can also be used to improve employee motivation and productivity or to encourage consumers to make a purchase. Overall, incentives are used to influence decision-making and create a desired response from individuals or groups. They are a powerful tool in shaping behavior and achieving desired outcomes.